everybody, I'm here with Nicholas Lowry, who's a world-renowned poster art expert, and I want him to tell me, how do you make a great travel poster?
You know, I'm not sure I can tell you how to make a great travel poster, Jenny, but I can tell you what attributes a great travel poster should have. And I think the most important thing is that it has to show off the really beautiful place that you're going to. And if you can take it to a second level, it would not only be to show the place in the form of a landscape, which is a little bit static, but maybe put some people in there or some activity like a skier or a swimmer or a yachter or something to really show not just how beautiful it is where you're going, but what you can do when you're there. You know, once you've done that, the way to really catch people's eye is with bright colors. So you're never really going to see a drab poster.
Oh, that's great. And so that was going to be my next question. What is a bad travel poster? So you said drab colors.
I think drab colors, like an uninteresting vista. It's like wow, look, there's a mountain.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, what's that? So, oh look, there's a body of water. Like you have to put something in it that makes somebody really has to want to be there. So you have to make it desirable.
So we are actually at Swann Galleries, and you are having a not specifically travel, but you have a poster auction coming up right now.
Yeah, this week on Thursday, February 29th, leap year, we have our annual vintage poster auction. We have it every winter. But within the travel poster section, we have a little subgenre of skiing posters.
Oh, cool.
And I'd love to show you some of those because they're really great. And I think they sort of will display some of the things we were just talking about.
All right, let's go look at it.
Let's go. Jenny, these are just some of the travel posters and some of the ski posters that we have in the auction. And there's two here that I want to talk about. One is this poster for St. Anton in Austria. And this is like a universal favorite. And you can love this poster even if you don't like skiing. It's like the M&M bunnies. I don't get what the idea is, but it's sort of irrepressibly charming and desirable. People love this poster, and it's very rare. So again, I don't know that this necessarily is a realistic view of what's going to happen if you go skiing in the Austrian Alps. I don't think you can expect to be surrounded by colorful bunnies, but another aspect of a good poster is that it has to catch your eye, and this poster will certainly catch your eye if you're walking down the street and you see it somewhere. It'll catch your eye, and most likely you will say to yourself, what the F? Like, what are these rabbits doing? And you'll stop and you'll look at it and you'll smile, and the message of skiing in St. Anton will be embedded in your mind. And then another one that I really like is this poster here. It's another alpine resort, this time in Switzerland. And what I like about this is this speaks to my lifestyle, because a lot of people like to go skiing, and there's all sorts of skiing you can do. You see the little people skiing in the background, but so much of skiing is the après ski. And this woman is lying there in the sun. She has a bottle of wine and a gigantic mug that she's drinking from while all her friends are skiing. So this is what I was talking about. You can look at these images and you can insert yourself into the daydream. You become part of the daydream, and this daydream is good for those people who want to go skiing but who aren't that athletic.
Well, I'm really inspired. I think I got lots of great tips from you. So colors, bunnies, alcohol, big color, lots of color, not a lot of text, make it clear. All right, so I'm going to take what you said, I'm going to go home, and I'm going to make a travel poster.
I can't wait to see you do it, but with this kind of inspiration of what's around us here, I think you're going to kill it.
And I'm going to come back and then you can tear it apart.
I would never, but I'd love to see the finished result.